Good morning, students. Today we start new topic from chapter trigonometric functions. Today's topic solution of triangle. In this topic we discuss polar coordinates. See the figure. Let O be a fixed point in a plane. Let OX be a fixed ray in the plane and O is called the pole and ray OX is called polar axis. Let P be the point in the plane other than pole O. Let OP equals to R and the measure of angle XOP equals to theta. The order pair R theta determines the position of P in the plane and they are called the polar coordinates of P. And R is called the radius vector and theta is called the vertical angle of point P. See remarks, vectorial angle theta is the smallest non-negative angle made by OP with the ray OX. And angle theta lies between 0 to 2 pi and pole has no polar coordinates. That is, the fixed point O is a pole and O has no polar coordinates. Now see relation between the Cartesian and the polar coordinates. See the figure. Let O be the pole and OX be the polar axis of polar coordinate system. We take the line along OX as the x-axis and the line perpendicular to OX through O as y-axis. Let P be any point in the plane other than origin. Let order pair xy and order pair r theta be the Cartesian and polar coordinates of point P. So coordinates of P, Cartesian coordinate as order pair xy and polar coordinate as order pair r theta. Now to find the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate, by definition of trigonometric functions, we have sin theta equals to y upon r and cos theta equals to x upon r. Therefore, x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. This is the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Means to find Cartesian coordinate using polar coordinates, we use formula x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. And same for to find polar coordinates. Now see the example. Find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 2 pi by 4. So we have to given here polar coordinates 2 pi by 4. So here 2 is r and theta pi by 4. So we have to given r equals to 2 and theta equals to pi by 4. Using x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, we get x equals to, put the value of r is 2 cos of pi by 4, that is 2 into 1 by root 2. So we get x equals to root 2. And for y equals to 2 sine pi by 4 equals to 2 into 1 by root 2 equals to root 2. And the required Cartesian coordinates are order pair root 2, root 2. See another example. Find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are root 2, comma pi by 4. So given r equals to root 2 and theta equals to pi by 4. So using x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, we get x equals to root 2 cos pi by 4 root 2 into 1 by root 2 equals to 1 root 2 cancel. Same for y equals to root 2 sine of pi by 4. So 1 root 2 into 1 by root 2 so equals to 1, and therefore the required Cartesian coordinates are 1, 1. Now see next example, same form. Find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 4 and pi by 2. So we have to give one same r equals to 4 and theta equals to pi by 2. So using x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, we get x equals to 4 cos pi by 2 equals to 4 into 0. Value of cos pi by 2 is 0. So 4 into 0 we get 0, and y equals to 4 sin pi by 2. So value of sin pi by 2 is 1. So 4 into 1 equals to 4, and therefore the required Cartesian coordinates are 0, 4. Next example. Find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 3 by 4, 3 pi by 4. So we have to give one r equals to 3 by 4 and theta equals to 3 pi by 4. So using x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, we get x equals to 3 by 4 cos 3 pi by 4 equals to 3 pi by 4 into. So we write down here angle 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4. So we get value of cos pi minus pi by 4 as minus cos pi by 4. Angle lies in second quadrant. So we get minus 3 by 4 into cos of pi by 4, and value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So we get minus 3 by 4 into 1 by root 2 equals to minus 3 upon 4 root 2. For y equals to 3 by 4 sine 3 pi by 4. Same way we substitute angle 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4. So we get 3 by 4 into sine pi minus pi by 4 equals to 3 by 4 into sine pi by 4. Value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So we get 3 by 4 into 1 by root 2. So equals to 3 upon 4 root 2. And therefore the required Cartesian coordinates are minus 3 upon 4 root 2 into 3 upon 4 root 2. Now homework. Find the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 3 by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Now next, find the polar coordinates whose Cartesian coordinates are 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. So we have to given here polar coordinates and we find Cartesian coordinates. So from the coordinates of the given point, we observe that point lies in fourth quadrant. So r equals to root of x square plus y square. Therefore r equals to 1 by root 2 bracket square plus minus 1 by root 2 bracket square equals to root of 1 half plus 1 half equals to root 1, which is equals to 1, and therefore value of r is 1. Now we find angle theta. So x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. This implies 1 by root 2 equals to 1 into cos theta and minus 1 by root 2 equals to 1 into sin theta. So cos theta equals to 1 by root 2 and sin theta equals to minus 1 by root 2. So angle is lies in fourth quadrant. So theta equals to 7 pi by 4. That is 2 pi minus pi by 4. So value of cos theta 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Value of sin theta is 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. But sin theta is negative. So minus pi by 4. So we get this value as theta equals to 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is 7 pi by 4. Next example. Find the polar coordinates of point whose Cartesian coordinates are root 2, root 2. So from the coordinates of these given points, we observe that point lies in the first quadrant because x coordinates are positive and y coordinates are also positive. So point lies in first quadrant. So r equals to root of x square plus y square. So we get r equals to root 2 square plus root 2 square, which is equals to root of 2 plus 2 means root 4, and that is r equals to 2. So x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta gives root 2 equals to 2 into cos theta and root 2 equals to 2 into sin theta. So cos theta equals to 1 by root 2 and sin theta is also 1 by root 2. That is the angle theta equals to pi by 4, and hence the required polar coordinates are 2 pi by 4. Again, next example. Find the polar coordinates of point whose Cartesian coordinates are 0, 1 by 2. So from the coordinates of the given point, we observe that point lies in the first quadrant. So r equals to root of x square plus I square gives r equals to root of 0 square plus half square, so equals to root of 1 by 4, and which is equals to r equals to 1 half. So x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta gives 0 equals to 1 half cos theta and half equals to half sin theta. So cos theta equals to 0 and sin theta equals to 1. And therefore theta equals to pi by 2. Value of cos pi by 2 is 0 and value of sin pi by 2 is 1, and therefore the required polar coordinates are half and pi by 2. Find the polar coordinates of the point whose Cartesian coordinates are 1 and minus root 3. From the coordinate of the given point, we observe that point lies in the fourth quadrant, means x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. So r equals to x square plus y square gives r equals to 1 square plus minus root 3 square, so equals to 1 plus 3 equals to 4, and that is r equals to 2. X equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta gives 1 equals to 2 cos theta and minus root 3 equals to 2 sin theta. Therefore cos theta equals to half and sin theta equals to minus root 3 by 2. And therefore theta equals to 5 pi by 3, and the required polar coordinates are 2 5 pi by 3. Thank you.